Hello and welcome to RLR Excel Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and unique videos, I will teach you how you can use do until loop in VBA. Alright, so basically do until loop, it will enable you to repeat a block of code until a certain condition not met. It means if you put any question via input box from your user using VBA, then if you will until you will not type the correct answer until the code will be run again and again and again. Basically, how it is working, let's first understand with an example, then we will start to write the code. Alright, so for this, here I have written already a macro code. Let's run this code again and see how it is working. So here I have created a macro which name is until loop, and let's run it. So here I have put it a simple question via input box that what software are we using. So if I will type any answer, let's say I'm typing anything, then it will say you that please type your correct answer. If I will press OK, then as soon as I will click on OK, again pop-up window will be appear and it will ask you again that what software we are using. If you type again the incorrect answer, then it will again say you that please type your correct answer. It means it say you until you did not type the correct answer. Alright, so the correct answer is Excel, and if I will type the correct answer, then it will say you that you are absolutely right. So how I have created this beautiful coding via VBA code, let's learn and create. Alright, so just click on OK. Now click on developer tab, click on Visual Basic, and here I have created this beautiful code. Alright, so just remove this all code and let's try to create this code from beginning. Alright, so first of all I will take a simple subname that would be do until loop. Alright, so this is our code name, subname, and we'll give the apostrophe symbol and we'll type the comments that would be this code we will use to check do until loop. Alright, any message you can keep using VBA in comments. Alright, so first of all I will take a simple variable as a string. So I'm taking dim right answer as string, and the right answer work is Excel. Alright, then I will take another string that would be user answer as string, and now here I'm declaring the user answer work. So user answer is equal to via input box I'm asking what software we are using. I have put it a simple question from user that what software we are using. Now here user can put two type of answer. One is the correct answer and the second is the incorrect answer. So if user, here I'm taking do until, if user answer is equal to right answer, then generate a simple message box and say that you are absolutely right. Alright, and if user did not put the correct answer, it means if user answer is not equal to right answer, then simply generate a message box and say him that please type your correct answer. Alright, and I need to run this loop again and again until user did not type the correct answer. So for this, first of all I will use and if, then I will again type the same question from user that would be user answer is equal to what software we are using. and it will again run it via loop. Alright, so here I have done my coding, and now let's run it again and see how it is working. Alright, so just close this, and now just again go to developer tab, macros, and now this time I have given the subname which is do until loop, and now just run it. Here it is asking what software we are using, that if I will type any another answer which is not accurate, let's say I'm typing this one, so it is saying that please type your correct answer. If I will press on OK, then it will say you again that please type your correct answer, means what software we are using. And let's say if I am not typing any answer, and I'm just click on OK, then it will again say you that please type your correct answer. It means you need to do the correct answer until this pop-up window will be appear in front of you, and it will ask you again and again and again. And now if you will type your correct answer which is Excel, then it will say you that you are absolutely right. So that's how you can use do until loop to create this beautiful VBA code. Alright, so I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you how we can use nested do while loop in VBA, which is too easy. Alright, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.